Now students, let's solve question number 6 of exercise 4.1, and that is set up an equation in the following cases. It means you have to study all these cases and form equations according to it. First part is Irfan says that he has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Now you have to form equation by using variable m. Take m to be the number of Parmeet's marble. So students, let's solve first part of question number 6. Let Parmeet has m number of marbles. As we have to use variable m for this question, so we will use m as a variable. So Parmeet has m number of marbles. 5 times Parmeet's marble, that will become 5 into m. Times means multiply. So 5 times Parmeet's marble, and Parmeet has m number of marbles, so we will multiply 5 with m. It will become 5m. Irfan has 7 more than 5 times Parmeet's marble. Irfan has 7 more marbles than Parmeet's marble. Parmeet has how many number of marble? 5m number of marble. 7 more, that will become 5m plus 7. So Irfan has 5m plus 7 number of marbles. Now, therefore Irfan has 5m plus 7 marbles. As Irfan has 37 marbles, total number of marbles Irfan has, that are 37. So our equation will become 5m plus 7 is equal to 37. Second part is Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age is to be y years. You have to take the variable y and you have to find out the equation for this situation. So students, solution for this situation is, or for this case is, let Lakshmi's age is y years. 3 times Lakshmi's age, that is equal to 3 is multiplied by y. That becomes 3y years. Now, his father is 4 years more than Lakshmi's age. So 4 years more than Lakshmi's age, that will become 3y plus 4 years. Now, Lakshmi's father age is 49 years. That is already given in the question. Therefore, Lakshmi's father age will be 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. So, this is the equation for the following case. Now, third part of question number 6 is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. Take the lowest score to be L. You have to take the variable L. So let's solve this case. So solution for third part of question number 6 is, let the lowest marks in class be L, as we have to use the variable L for that. Therefore, twice the lowest marks, that is equal to 2L. Twice means 2 times. So, it will become 2L. The highest marks are 7 more than twice the lowest marks. Highest marks are 7 more than twice the lowest mark. Twice the lowest marks are 2L. And 7 more than that will become 2L plus 7. Therefore, the highest marks will be 2L plus 7. As highest mark scored is 87, that is already given in the question. So, our equation will become 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. So, fourth part of question number 6 is, in an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let the base angle be B in degrees. Remember that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It means isosceles triangle is that triangle in which 2 sides are equal. And as you all know that sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now it is given that the base angles of an isosceles triangle be B. Each one is of B degree. Now you have to find out the equation for this case. Students, look, this is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are of equal measure and this base is of different measure. These are base angles and this one is a vertex angle. Now, in the question is given that B is a degree of angles of the base and this vertex is twice the base. So, you have to form an equation for this situation. So, solution for fourth part of question number 6 is, let the measure of each base angle of an isosceles triangle be B degree. It means base angle are of B degree. Look, they are of B degree angle. These are the base angles. They are of B degree angle. Therefore, the measure of the vertex angle is 2B. It is given in the question that vertex angle is of 2B degree. So, student, this is vertex angle. This is 2B degree. Now, we will find the equation for this case. Since the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, it means you all know that sum of measure of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, 2B plus B is equal to 180 degree. 2B plus 1 that will become 2 plus 1 that will become 4. So, 4B is equal to 180 degree. So, this is the equation for this type of case. So student, this is the end of exercise 4.1. Next exercise we will solve in our next video. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.